So what were you doing, right? You have this moment where like, shit, like I don't know how to handle myself in the markets pretty much, right? From that point on, what type of books were you reading, right? Like how did you kind of get yourself centered?
So I started watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to like, improve your psychology. It was a couple books that I read of so I can see that he recommended. I don't know if I'm off the top of my head because it was like 2 years ago that I was reading it. I'm still reading books, but I don't remember it off my top of my head. But it was more like YouTube videos. They was giving me tips. Okay, you know what? You could do this before you trade. You could do that before you trade. Listen to music. Like I listen to I have a whole playlist, calming music. So when I'm in the markets, I listen to so I don't be like like jumpy, doing all these type of irrational decisions when I'm in the market. So yeah, it was definitely those things that helped me.
We opened the door, you got the candle going, the
yeah,
music.
the candle going, exactly. Like, everything is going, exactly. Yeah, that's what I
like,
do.
you're in a trade, bro.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Exactly, yeah. Just like things
That's
to
great.
calm my emotions down when I'm in the markets,
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah.
So what type of trader are you?
Technical.
Swing, intraday,
scalping, intraday, scalping/intraday. I like to get in and get out. Yeah, /intraday because sometimes I might hold the trade for a day, but sometimes if the trade presents itself, I might get in and out in like 5 to 10 minutes, depending. Yeah.
What do you think? So you've gotten several 5-figure payouts. What is the breakthrough for you to reach that point?
Is okay. So I realize I don't have to trade every day. Right, I have to really maximizing the high potential setups. I feel like that's really the main thing that I had to focus on to get those high figure payouts. It was really me looking for the correct setups, the correct days to trade, and not just trading every day. Because I used to trade. I used to think, okay, I got to trade every day to make money in the markets, but I realized that's not true. All you gotta do is one setup. Literally, all you gotta do is one setup per week, 2 setups per week, and you can make that money. But you just gotta make sure it's high setups that actually goes into your plan and stuff like that. So it was just really getting those high probability setups that really helped me get over that edge and stuff like that. Yeah,
it's hard to not trade every day.
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah,
it's
exactly.
It can be difficult.
Yeah.
So how long do you feel like you spend on trading per week?
So I'm on the markets every week. I mean, every day. Right? I'm on the markets every day, but I'm not trading every day. Like I have to see my setup, my strategy line up before I take that trade. I'm on the markets. I'm always on the markets every day just to see like what's going on with the markets. But my strategy has to align up. So I might take 2 to 3 trades per week and stuff like that, based on my strategy. You know what I'm saying? Because my strategy says don't trade every day. Like if you don't see your setup presenting itself in the market, don't trade, or else you're just gonna be rushing trades, and that's how you take losses and stuff like that.
What pairs do you trade?
Gold, GU.
Big gold.
Yeah, big gold
guy.
Yeah. Mainly gold though. Mainly gold. I'm trying to get to US 30, but that's a different beast.
Gold was crazy last week, right? It
shot up. Yeah, shot up.
I was looking at that like, fuck.
Yeah, shot up a lot of pips and stuff like that. Yeah, gold is his own monster, gold own beast. Yeah. So I've been trading that for like a good year, like really studying.
What's like your biggest trade that you've had on a prop firm? Evaluation firm.
I think it was about 25,000 on gold.
25K.
Yeah.
And how long do you hold the trade for?
I think it was like 5 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours.
What were you like? Was it instantly in profit? Was it up and down?
It went. I remember I got in and went down a little bit in drawdown, and then it started to move. It started to move in my favor, like towards the later part of the day. Cause I trade only New York session 8 to 12. I might be done. I'm like 1. So like it started moving towards my direction around like 1 o'clock and stuff like that. Yeah.
What else did you do that day? Like what happened after?
That's
a big day.
I mean, I really just I didn't do nothing. I didn't really do.
You
nothing.
didn't walk outside like I run this shit.
Nah, I mean, cause I know. I don't like to get too high on trades.
Right.
But I don't like to get too low. I like to keep it
chill.
easy, like chill. Like you know what I'm saying.
Got to put your head in the freezer after that one.
I know. Yeah, it's a lot of money. Like, I was thinking. Of course, I'm thinking to myself, okay, that's a lot of money I just made. But I know I can't get too hyped. Because if I go into the markets the next day too hyped, I could lose it all. You know what I'm saying? So I just like to keep it easy and stuff like that. That's
the question is, did you stop trading after that?
Yeah, I stopped trading.
You did?
Yeah. That's how I got my payout. Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you learned.
Yeah, exactly.